Hello, hope you are doing well. In this lecture, we will talk about the modality, some certain rules to write the content. Modality is the most important part in the semantics and especially in the formal semantics because according to the question that you are asking and the question format, the answer will also be reflected according to the question. For example, if I give you a situation, if you answering can or could question with the present tense, it means that the answer and the question format does not align to each other or they not generate the relevance or you can say their format does not match with each other. You remember one thing in the scenario of present tense sentence, if you giving the present tense sentence, it always affect or on fact that there is a consensus on it. If we use can, could, might, may, it means that we are talking about the researches. If we are using the word should, we are reflecting the kinds of personal experience or you can say it personal suggestion. So when we talk about the modalities, you can see in this specific article how we can create or write or embedded in it. Now I give you example. For example, here the sentence it takes into account not only muscle strength, power and endurance, but inputs from many other body organs and systems such as bones, balance as well as various cardiovascular and neurological aspects. Now this sentence reflect kind of the fact, and when you look at this specific area, first we give the research and then we tell it happened in that way. This is kind of the research writing style, you can also say. But when it comes to telling the water is vital for life, we don't tell water might be vital, water can be vital, or water should be vital because we all know that it's already vital. This previous conversation comes at the point that it means according to the researches that you are using or according to the different aspects that you are using or covering, you need to match the modalities. Here I give one more example, like when it comes to the personal experience, I can already said we use should reflect or refer to the personal experience or the personal suggestion. Now here you can see we search the you, and in also the headings you can see you always or mostly covered with the should. Our purpose here to reflect the specific type of aspect because inside the health related articles, as you know, we should be able to give some certain types of suggestion to be able to make it a regular situation. And here we also ask the question, the suggestive question with a should and you. Now, one more rule that you follow is that we use the different measurement units. Sometimes we use liters, sometimes we use gallons, sometimes we use cups. These are the different measurement units that we use in the different certain types of sections. The purpose is that by using all these calculation and the conversion in a correct way, we use it to show the authenticity of the article and the also human effort that mentioned by Google in our articles. Mostly we use the measurement unit liter, but time to time we use the different measurements. You can also see that sometimes we use more detailed numerical values. We did not just tell 3.7, we also go further details 3.785. Again, the purpose of telling the detail is more relevance and giving the answer for different types of possible generated questions. Because if we generate a questions like how many liters, then we also relevant. If we ask question, or you can say the search engine generate a question by using ounce or any other measurement unit, we still relevant to that. Sometimes of course we also use the milliliter, and you can also see inside the images we use lbs, it's also a measurement unit. So in the next lecture, we will try to see the article methodology of this specific article and we see the supplementary content further.